Hey everyone, Sarah here from The Average Tourist, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my room at the Sonesta Maho Beach Resort.
We were in room 852, which is located on the 8th floor of the resort. Our room category was a premier ocean view room, which gave us fantastic views of the Oasis pool, the ocean, and the famous Maho Beach. Online it says this room category has a maximum occupancy of 3 adults or 2 adults and 2 children. However, as you can see, our room was a king room with an adjoining door. This meant we didn't have the pull-out couch to accommodate other guests. We did find that there was a lot of wasted space in this room, but it did have a nice corner table, 3 chairs, an ottoman, and a small bench. The bathroom was quite large and had good counter space. Each day we were given 4 large towels, 2 hand towels, and most days we received 2 face cloths. Under the sink, a small hairdryer was also provided, and it was surprisingly very powerful. Soap, body lotion, and a shower cap were also provided. There was an outlet conveniently placed in the bathroom beside the switch that turns off the fog glass window in the shower. There was a magnifying mirror with a light and a switch behind it to turn on the lights around the large mirror. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash were also provided. The shower had a handheld and adjustable shower head and a rainfall shower head. Water pressure was always great, and there was always hot water. In the closet, there was a standard size safe that could fit up to a 13-inch laptop. Tablets, DSLR cameras, and other small valuables also could fit. Below the safe was a large shelf with an extra pillow and 4 drawers for clothing. They weren't all the easiest to open or close, but they were great for storage. The closet also had motion sense lighting, numerous hangers, an iron, and an ironing board. Further inside the room was a tall shelf with an ice bucket and 3 bottles of alcohol, rum, gin, and vodka. Below that was a small coffee maker and coffee supplies. And at the bottom was a mini fridge that was restocked daily with pop, water, and beer. Typically, it was Coors Light or Miller Lite. Beside the shelf was a small bench that had a drawer beneath it for more storage and a long table underneath the TV. In the far corner of the room, we had a round table and 2 chairs. Beside the table, there was a huge open space. Like I said, it was kind of a waste because we had an adjoining room. I found the king-size bed to be very comfortable, and I liked that we had 4 fluffy pillows. The bed had a light duvet, and I'm pretty sure they changed our sheets twice during our stay. There were 2 bedside tables and 2 wall lights that could be turned off or on from switches on both sides of the bed. Both sides of the bed also had standard electrical outlets with 2 USB outlets on each. The alarm clock doubled as a phone and also had additional USB outlets on the side for charging. My favorite part of this room was the balcony. All of the balconies are open, so there's definitely no privacy, but the views of the beach and the resort were amazing. We liked to sit here in the evenings and watch the planes land before we headed down for dinner. It could be quite loud in the room though when they had music playing during the day and the evening by the pool, but typically everything ended by 10 p.m. Overall, I was really happy with this room, and I definitely recommend booking a premier ocean view room for those views.
So I hope that tour gave you an idea of what you can expect for a room like this at the resort. If you like this video, please give it a like, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more travel-related videos in the near future. I would love to have you back. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.